Alright, so we're at the step where we have to take off the molding. So one of the key factors is taking a knife and scoring the very top. And the reason you're doing that is because there's caulking, and that caulking acts like a glue. And you want to make sure you take care of that. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and take a pry bar and get in there. And pop it open. Alright, now if we don't remove the caulking, let's see what happens. As you can see, it's going ahead and ripping off the paint up above. And since we're removing this wall, it's not that crucial, but if you're trying to remove molding and you don't want to do any drywall repair, it's imperative that you cut the caulking off. We're going to do the same thing for the crown molding. What we're going to do is take the blade, score the bottom. Once we finish scoring the bottom, we're going to score the top. And you want to take your time so that you don't slip. Once you're done with that, you're going to do the inside corner. Alright, and this one's got a joint right here, so I can also do the joint. Alright, now we're going to take a hammer and some sort of pry bar and go ahead and grab it, and out it comes. As you can see, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nails in a piece that's only about 16 inches long. And here's the score mark. Eventually we'll just peel this guy off. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, happy renovation.